Good morning, grade 6. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today our lesson about is expression involving exponents. So that's chapter 4, lesson 2a. So it's something like an introduction for the lesson. Now our objective for today is to write and evaluate numerical expressions involving exponents. Translate and evaluate the following expressions. So احنا في عنا هدفين. الهدف الأول is to translate and evaluate the following expressions. The sum of 6 and 4. So the sum of, you have to know that the simple now is plus, which is addition. The sum of 6 and 4, يعني 6 plus 4, okay? To the third power times 2. Now, the sum of 6 and 4 to the third power, we need parentheses to let's say accommodate the 6 and 4, and then we say times 2. This way I will help you to translate this expression. طيب نرجع كمان مرة. كل ما أنت كنت حافظ المعاني keywords, you will simply translate the expression very easily. So we have here the sum of 6 and 4. That's sum of 6 and 4. To the third power, you need parentheses, then add 3 because we have third power. Times 2, times means multiplication. 2, this is 2. Okay? So this is our expression. Now let's evaluate it. Use the order of operations. We have 6 plus 4 to the third power times 2. احنا اتفقنا انه احنا دائما بنبدأ بالparentheses. Okay? Parentheses, we have 6 plus 4, that's 10. 10 to the third power, that's 1,000. 1,000 times 2, the answer is 2,000. So the value of this expression is 2,000. Okay, الخطوة الأولى حلينا parentheses, and then حلينا multiplication, and then we found the final answer. Okay. Now, let's move to the next question. Practice. Translate each word phrase into a numerical expression, then evaluate the expression. طبعا بدكم تلاحظوا انه هون the phrase used is numerical expression, يعني ما في عندي variables. I told you لما بيكون في عندي variables بيكون اسمه algebraic expression. Now 9 to the second power. 9 to the second power سهلة. We just write 9 here. I'll show you how. You just write 9. Okay, so what is 9 to the second power, or 9 squared? That's 9 times 9. So the answer is 9 times 9. What is 9 times 9? That's 81. So the final answer is 81. Now let's move to question number 2. We have 3 to the fourth power plus 5. 3 to the fourth power plus 5. 3, we just write 3, and we have to the fourth power, and it's plus 5. Okay? طيب, now let's evaluate it. كيف بنحل الإيفالويشن؟ أول إشي we start with the exponent and then the addition. So 3 to the third power, it means 3 times 3. Let's just do it this way. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I'll help you to do it. Okay? What is 3 times 3? That's 9. 3 times 3, that's 9. 9 times 9, that's 81. So the answer for 3 to the fourth power is 81. 81 plus 5. What is 81 plus 5? That's 86. Okay, now let's move to this one. 2 times 6 plus 4 to the third power. 2 times 6 plus 4 to the third power. We write 4 here, and we raise it to the third power. So this is the third power. Okay, now what is 4 to the third power? I'll tell you something. That's 4 times 4 times 4. Yalla. 4 times 4, that's 16. 16 times 4, now you have to find it, okay? 16 times 4, I think the answer will be 64. Let's make sure. Okay, so the answer is 64. This one, it equals 4 times 4 times 4, and the answer is 64. Now, let's evaluate this expression. في عندنا multiplication, then addition. We start with the multiplication, and then we add the 64. So 2 times 6, the answer is 12. The answer is 12 here. Okay. And here we have 64. That's 64. So we have here 78. We have 78. Okay. Let's move to question number 4. I will help you to do it, but you are requested to write it on your notebook. Show me your answers. Okay, 5 times 2, that's easy. 5 times 2 to the third power. This 2 should be raised to the third power, يعني 2 caret 3. Plus 4 times 3 to the third power, plus 4 times 3 to the third power. Now let's check this one, حبايبي. We have 5 times what? What? You have to evaluate what is 2 to the third power, يعني 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And here you have to evaluate what is 4 times 3, يعني 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64, as I told you. Then you have to do the multiplication, في عنا both multiplication on left and right, and then you have to add the answers. Okay, I'm waiting for you. It's a homework and it will be graded. It will be graded. This one. Let's clear our board and move to the next one. Now, we need to move down. Discuss and write. Write the expression 3. We have, look how can I read this expression. I say 4 plus 2 squared or to the second power times 3. يعني ببلش من داخل الأقواس. كمان مرة رح أعيد. نبدأ قراءة الإكسبريشن من داخل الأقواس. يعني it will be 4 times 2, 4 plus 2, okay, to the second power times 3. تمام? Now let's move to the next one. And here we have 3 times 4 plus 2 to the second power inwards. هون ما رح نقدر نبدأ من داخل الأقواس، ما في عنا أقواس. So we start from left to right. That's 3 times 4 plus 2 to the second power. Do they have different values? Why? This one, I will help you with it, inshallah. We have 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. 6 to the second power, the answer is, يعني 6 to the second power means 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Now 36 times 3, the answer is 90 plus 3 times 6, which is 18. So the answer is 108, I think. Okay? So the answer for this expression is 108, as I think. And now here we have 3 times 4 plus 2 times 2. أول إشي بنبدأ فيه الإكسبوننت. So 2 times 2, that's 4. 3 times 4, that's 12. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4, that's maybe 16. So look how does it differ. يعني كثير الجواب مختلف. So would you please, now I did it orally for you. رح أعيد كمان مرة. بنبلش بداخل الأقواس، بعدين الإكسبوننت، بعدين نعمل عملية الضرب. بيطلع معنا جواب معين. الآن هون جواب مختلف لأني رح أبدأ بالإكسبوننت، بعدين رح أعمل عملية الضرب وآخر إشي الجمع. This one is also a homework وللأمانة it's a highly important question.